PM Modi's vision to build a sporting culture has found a new momentum in recent time, and the success of the latest Olympic Games and in the Paralympic Games in Tokyo has boosted the interest in sports of the nation. Recently, Union Minister Anurag Singh Thakur met the CEO of FIFA, Yuri Jokaev, to discuss the potential India has in football and how football can be encouraged at the grassroots levels in the country. A meeting with CEO of FIFA, Yuri Jokaev, indicates that India might be aiming to collaborate with the FIFA Foundation to enhance the footballing ecosystem in the nation. In a country where cricket thrives, such efforts to boost football at the grassroots level will provide a platform for several budding footballers at an early age. In the past few years, Indian football has come a long way with the start of several tournaments around the country. Yuri Jokaev played for France and has won the 1998 World Cup, European Championship and UEFA Cup during his long career, playing at stadiums around the globe from 1993 to 2002. Yuri played alongside some of the greatest footballers of his generation like Ronaldo and Zidane. But today he holds an important institutional position in the world of football. He is now the CEO of FIFA Foundation. It's a new role and different role for Yuri. All of his experience have helped him to create and develop an innovative strategy for the FIFA Foundation, and a similar approach can be expected for India from Yuri. The recent success in the Tokyo Games, 7 medals in the Olympics and 19 medals in the Paralympics, shows that the nation has evolved from a single sport nation to a multi-sport country. The sports sector in India has witnessed several developments and significant growth. The central government has made all the efforts from schemes like TOPS, Khelo India to improve sports participation and to build a culture of sports in the country through better infrastructure, world-class facilities and other aspects.
टॉप्स की वजह से ही आज 19 मेडल आए हैं पैरालंपिक में, क्योंकि हमारे पास प्रतिभाशाली बहुत अच्छे खिलाड़ी हैं, बट वो कहीं ना कहीं उनके स्ट्रगल में वो रह जाते थे और जो फैसिलिटी से वो नहीं मिल पाता था, जिस कारण वो बैक स्टेप में रहते थे. बट इस बार बहुत अच्छा सपोर्ट मिला है एज ए टॉप्स के हिसाब से. इवन बहुत सारे एथलीट हमारे अब्रॉड में ट्रेनिंग करके आए और उनको अच्छे कोचेस मिले. अब्रॉड से भी कोच प्रोवाइड किया गया, साई के कैंप्स भी किए गए और खेलो इंडिया में भी पैरा एथलीट को मतलब पार्टिसिपेट करने का मौका मिल रहा है. तो ये सब जो छोटी छोटी एक्टिविटीज़ गवर्नमेंट ने स्टार्ट की है, छोटी है बट बहुत बड़ी है. तो इससे क्या खिलाड़ी का एक तो वे मिल रहा है और मोटिवेट भी हो रहा है कि हम कुछ करेंगे, हमारा एम विज़न जो है क्लियर है. तो ये बहुत अच्छा चीज़ किया गया है जो गवर्नमेंट के जो बहुत सारे जो फैसिलिटीज़ प्रोवाइड किया गया है. डेफिनेटली इसमें यूथ एंड स्पोर्ट्स का बहुत अच्छा हाथ है, साई का बहुत अच्छा हाथ है और इवन सबसे स्पेशल जो हमारे देश के पीएम है मोदी जी, उनका बहुत अच्छा हाथ है.
Sports like hockey, football, badminton and kabaddi have gathered sizable interest over the past few years. The establishment of new leagues in these sports is changing the face of Indian sports as the players are getting a global stage to showcase their talent and viewers are getting the opportunity to get more involved in their favorite sports.